Track 17. 1.
What's this? It's got fur, and it's got a short tail, and 4 legs. Is it a mouse? No, it isn't. It's a guinea pig. It isn't a mouse.
2.
Who's this? She's got small eyes. She's got a big mouth. And she's got white hair. Is it your mum? No, it isn't. It's my granny.
3.
What are these? They're black. They've got long tails and they've got 4 legs. They've got short ears. They're cats.
4.
What's my favourite food? I like rice and I like pasta too. But my favourite food is chicken. I like chicken.
5.
Who's this? He's got black hair. He's got big ears. He's got a big mouth. He's my dad. His name is Ben.
6.
What food don't I like? I like carrots and potatoes. But I don't like beans.